shade. I see the sparks you throw. My